So let's solve the fifth question. It is 3x upon 5 plus 7x upon 5, which is equals to 2. We know this thing that we need to find it for x because this is given in the question. Also, we know this thing that we can add up the like terms. Which two are the like terms in this case? This 3 by 5x and 7x by 5 are like terms. Why are these two like terms? Because we can see this thing that both of them have the same variable. When you are going to add them up, I'm going to do the ref work over here. That is 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5. When you're going to add them up, you are going to get 5 in the denominator while 10 on the numerator, which can be simplified as 2. Also, we have x, so we can say that the solution for this whole thing comes out to be equals to 2x. And what is on the right hand side of the equal sign then? It is 2. We need to find the value for x. What will be the value for x? We need to take this 2 on the other side. Why we are going to take this 2 on the other side is because we need to find the value for x. Also, this 2 is in multiplication in this side. When it will go in the next side, it will be converted into division. That will be 2 by 2, or we could say the value for x should be equals to 1. This is how we solve the fifth one. Okay, next is sixth one, which is very easy. See, this is say 2x minus 5 is equals to 7. We need to find the value for x again. In this case, you see, first we will be taking this negative 5 on the other side. If we will take this negative sign of the negative 5 on the other side, it is going to be positive because over here it is negative, it is in subtraction. Then in this case, we can write it as 7 plus 5. So we can say that 2x is equals to 12. Further, we need to find the value for x. It means we just need x on one hand side, and on the other right hand side, that is in this case, we have to take every other values. So what is going to be? It is going to be 12 divided by 2. Why 12 divided by 2? Because 2 was in the multiplication in this case. So on the other side, when the 2 goes on the other side of the equal sign, it goes in the division. Or you can just say like that if something is at the numerator side on one side of the equal sign, then it goes on the other one, it goes on the denominator side. Now the value for x comes out to be 6. Let me just give you a quick recap of it. It is 2x minus 5, which is equals to 7. First, we are going to take this 5 on the other side. So it's going to be positive now because earlier it was negative 5. Then we got 12. Then we have 2x left. Amongst that 2x, we also have to take 2 on the other side. 2 is in multiplication in this case, so it will be converted into division. Or you could say 2 was in the numerator side, so now it will be in the denominator side. And then 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. So the value for x comes out to be equals to 6. Copy that and then we will move to the next one. Okay, then this next one. In this case also we need to find the value for x. Now you see over in this case there is x on this side of the equal sign as well as on this side of the equal sign. So first task is to bring the x on one side and every numerical value on the other side. So in this case what we can do is we can bring this negative x to the left hand side. If we will bring it to the left hand side, what we will get on the left hand side, there will be 12 plus there will be x which was already there, while this negative x will be converted into positive x and we can write it as plus x. What will be left on this side of the equal sign? We will be having only 18 over here. Further, what do we do? Now we have both the values of x on one side, but now we still have this 12. We have to take the 12 on the other side. Why we have to take this 12 on the other side? Because as I have already told you that we will take all the numerical value on one side of the equal sign and the variable on one side. So if we are going to do this, we are going to get x plus x, which will be equals to 18 and then minus 12. Why minus 12? Because this was positive 12 over here. When it go on the other side of the equal, it converts into the negative 12. Now further we can write this thing. These two are the like terms. If you are going to add these two like terms, you are going to get 2x. While on this side of the equal sign, you are going to get 18 minus 12. That should be equals to 6. Now again you see on one side of the equal sign we have 2x and on the other one we have 6. As I have told you this thing that to find the value for x, you have to take each and every numerical value on one side and a variable on the other side. So you have to take this 2 also on the other side. Now you see this 2 is in multiplication with x. Why this 2 is in multiplication? Same as in this case, there is no sign in between. If there is no sign in between, it means that the two numbers are in multiplication. Hence, when this 2 will go on the other side, it will be converted into division. That is, it will be converted into 6 divided by 2. Further, the value for x will be equals to 3, and this is how you find the value for x for this question. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next part.